stand with his people who will participate in judging the world. However, the exact sequence of these events remains unclear, and if you believe that
Okay, bring me Bible verse.
Ano? Proverbs 3:5. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart and lean not with your own understanding. Og John C. 6:36. Ito, look unto him in every thought, doubt not, fear not. Tapos Isaiah 60:22. Ano? When the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen.
Yan sa mga verse na yan, ano yung nakatulong sa'yo in times of problem?
John C. 6:36. Look unto him in every thought, doubt not, fear not. Because kanang when struggles hit me, mag-pray ako ug mo-trust ako sa iya with all my heart, and He will guide me sa akong mga decision nga buhaton.
Patuloy mo lang yung relationship mo kay God, and God, sasamahan ka niya sa saan ka man pumunta, and ano man ang sitwasyon mo sa buhay mo, ang God maging sumasayo. Amen.
Amen.